pleasant good day, folks. There for my journey, and today is about what, the third day with this Crick Neck. Yo, the first day was awful. The first day was awful. I couldn't turn my neck none at all. I did have to buy a neck brace. If I never buy the neck brace, I don't know how I could have move around freely. You see me? Yo, I never wake up with a Crick Neck before. Sure no, yo, I tell you, this is the worst Crick Neck I ever get in my life. Like, I literally hear the crick in my neck. I hear the crick. And I said, John, no, me dead now. I say, oh, what kind of Crick Neck this? I couldn't move, pain like, whoa. I feel lay down in the same spot. And then I just take the pillow and wrap the pillow around the back of my head and use the pillow as a brace, and that's how I could have get up and move. Blood, not people, me I tell you. When me hear the crick, I say, boom, but I did me dead now. For me I said, this coming like I broke my neck broke in my sleep. You see me? How about them totally. So right now, today is like the third day because it happened Tuesday, and today at Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, yeah. Or the second day. Third day, yeah, third day. That's the third day. Yeah? So right now, any little bump, it kinda throw me off, make me feel weird. When I look certain way, like me can look left, you know. I can turn my neck left, but you see, if me turn my neck like to the right, the movement very restricted. It not so restricted as before, but it's still restricted. It's easier to ride. It's easier to ride in the night with a Crick Neck than day, because you see, night now, like when I want to change lane and them thing there, they not have a blind spot in them, no move. They can't see me. Yo, the sun, brother. Jaja. Yeah. So in the night you can see the lights behind you. Ooh, damn girl, you fine as hell. What the frick? Oh yeah, you're just gonna put on your indicator. Easy march. Oh, don't cross. It's not a red light. Oh God. See, I like the little bump there. I feel them pain in the back part of my neck, the right back part of my neck. Terrible, man. Basically, I pull the muscle pulling up. How long now you out in thing there? 2 months. Bomba, a joke. No, brother, from October, November, December. Bomba. About 2 months to chew.
Yeah, so about 2 months.
Oh, good. Yo.
A letter before it coming.
Yeah. A easy thing that just get that from the doctor. From the doctor.
That's the same man.
Yeah.
Supposed to come and work this man.
Did I come this morning? Shoot, me do that girl, man. So like yesterday when me did a stoplight, me did feel so because I couldn't look around. Today me can, you see me? Can do a little wiggle here, wiggle there. Couldn't look around none at all. I go put up, I go drop in a video of when Mama shot it out. So I drop up a video of when I did a ride with my neck brace and thing. People, this is what you call a Crick Neck. Look, not good. Don't know if you want to see it good, but that is what you call a Crick Neck. Yo, that's a neck brace. Right now my neck crick, me can't turn it. Here. I still have my neck brace by me, you know, because at some point, it's like how me there I ride with the helmet strain my neck. Yeah, the helmet strain my neck, and by the time I reach where I go, the pain come down back again. Somebody did that to ride without the helmet and put my sweater over my head. But me I said I don't feel comfortable to ride without my helmet, so I rather bear the neck pain and stay on my helmet, because if anything happen to me while I ride without my helmet, that's my fault, that's it. So I don't really gonna take that chance there. Yo, that carrier nice, looking good in a dog. Nice. I do my head can't turn. I can't turn my head if it look good on it. Oh my god, the car look good. Yo guys, you see riding with a Crick Neck, one of the worst things, man, tell you, man. Because especially, well, yeah, I need my mirrors, yeah. But for somebody like me who don't have no mirrors, a Crick Neck is bad because you have to look when you change lanes, you know. You have to. You can't always assume. Have to look when you change lane, bro. And your head have to out there like a swivel. So when you can't practically move your head properly, then you're at risk. Right now, I'm at a stoplight and I can't effectively look behind me. Can't look behind me, can't know what's going on behind me. So I would definitely recommend a mirror. Mirrors are good to have. The reason that, well, I don't have a mirror, it's not that I don't want a mirror, why I don't have a mirror. I have a mirror, it's just that I have to cut the handlebar short in order to put it on. Right now, can't look around to make a quick lane change. I just have to go on easy back here, so I don't know what going on behind me. What I do, I use the light them, like how it get dark. I use the lights behind me to gauge how far a vehicle is from me, hoping that a vehicle has their light turned on, which is also a risk. So I just ride easy and ride within my means right now. No need for go fast and a dilly-dally through traffic, because I don't have the range of motion there. I don't have the range of motion there where I should have. Right now, I'm there, stoplight, and I feel like a sitting duck because I can hear things behind me, but I can't see nothing. You were trying to run. Oh my god. Yo, I'm the one that happened to where you change your bike in a gear. You put the bike in a gear and the bike blows and skirt jump in a neutral gear. What work? Yo, man, I tell you, yo, them transmission here, see, man.
reach my goal.